Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we're checking out the Gold Oracle Scalper Adaptive EA for MT5. Price adjust $30. This is a dedicated XAUUSD gold scalper running on the M1 time frame. The developer focuses heavily on adaptive risk management instead of the usual dangerous stuff. So let's walk through the claims, break down the strategy, and see what my backtest really delivered. Alright, so according to the MQL5 page, let's check this out. The Gold Oracle Scalper Adaptive EA uses a multi-indicator confluence approach for entries on gold. It combines things like the MACD, moving averages, CCI, ADX, and volume filters to only take high probability setup. Entries can optionally align with the longer term trend for better filtering. So as you can see, he claims that specifically for trading gold on XAUUSD on the M1 time frame. And he said it's the result of extensive research and optimization, seeking a balance between profitability and crucially robust risk management that adapts to different risk conditions. All right. So as I previously said, as for the strategy, it employs a multi-indicator approach to identify probability trading opportunities in the volatile gold markets. All right. So we have some advanced risk management and features as claimed by the developer. As you can see here, what sets it apart according to him is the real differentiator of um or rather what sets it apart is advanced risk management and market adaptation mechanisms. All right, so we have the adaptive structural stop loss instead of a fixed stop loss in pips, which may be inappropriate in different volatility conditions. The EA calculates the initial stop loss based on the recent market structure. Right, so it claims that this allows the stop loss to dynamically adjust the current volatility, giving the price enough breathing room in normal conditions, but protecting capital against excessive adverse moments. So we also have the proprietary time filter, um, which through extensive backtesting analysis, which we'll get to soon, we have some of the backtesting results here. Right, so through extensive analysis, the developer claims to have identified specific periods of the day UTC that historically presents higher risks and unfavorable volatility for this strategy on gold. So according to him, the Gold Oracle incorporates an intelligent time filter that now prevents new positions from being opened during these high risk windows, focusing on periods with the best historical risk to reward ratio. All right. So we also have the adaptive dynamic lot size, um, which according to him going one step further than the time filter. The EA has an optional system for dynamic adjustment of the lot size. Right. So this feature has been proven in testing or in the developer's testing to be extremely effective in reducing the maximum percentage and absolute drawdown, offering an additional robust layer of capital protection. So we have a few configurable parameters as well. As you can see, the input parameters, we have the general account and operation settings, including the selection of operating time frame, definition of the standard lot for entries, trailing stop option and its distance, safety margin for the trailing stop, unique identifier, which is the magic number, and the log file configuration, which allows you to name the file that will record the EA's activities. We also have the risk management, which includes setting the absolute maximum stop loss per operation, options for dynamic structural stop loss, look back parameters for structure, and ATR settings for Excel calculation. We also have the take profits target settings, entry trigger systems, additional filters for entry confirmation, and we have quite a number of those. Okay, so according to the developer, use the new parameters suitable for the MQ5 tester. So according to them, they've recently had to make some adjustments to the EA's code to comply with new guidelines and rules. This changes, while preserving the essence of the strategy, may cause backtests using older settings to show different results from what you might have seen in previous demonstrations. Right, so it's important to emphasize that Gold Oracle remains the same robust program using the same adaptive logic to trade gold on the M1 time frame. So let's take a look at some of their results from the backtest. Okay, so as you can see, the equity cover here looks quite smooth. Little periods of drawdowns here and there, and little movement towards the downside, but overall the movement looks quite straight to the upside in like a 45-degree line. So it looks quite good on paper. Let's take a look at some of the stats. All right, so the initial deposit wasn't specified for, but over their period of testing, the total net profit was $9,891, and profit factor was 2.35, and the balance drawdown was 5.22%. Okay, looks pretty good, but let's now compare this to my own testing. I had the opportunity to test the EA myself, using the recommended parameters by the developer. Okay. So for an initial deposit of $10,000, this is on the XAUUSD on the 1 minute time frame. So for the initial deposit of $10,000 over a period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026, the total net profits was $3,338. Right, the profit factor over the period was 1.34, and the balance drawdown was 17.53%. Let's take a look at the graph as well. All right, so as we can see, looking at the equity curve, it shows nice overall upward growth with several noticeable drawdowns along the way. Some dips around mid-period before recovering stronger towards the end. Deposit load bars indicate regular trading activity, which fits an M1 scalper. All right. So compared to the developer's adaptive risk focus, my results line up pretty well. Steady compounding with controlled drawdowns rather than wild swings. The thing is, gold scalping on M1 is tough, and the adaptive features seem to help smooth things out. Right, honestly, the features that actually matter most are the adaptive stop loss and loss sizing. The time filters and using the recommended set files are also important as well. The multi-indicator confluence is solid, but the dynamic risk layers do the heavy lifting for survival. Alright, so this indicator is for traders who want to dedicate or who want a dedicated gold scalper with smarter risk controls than basic systems. It's good if you have a decent account size, can run it on M1 with high spreads, and appreciate adaptive logic over simple grids. You should avoid this if you're a beginner, hate monitoring scalpers, and want ultra smooth equity with no drawdowns, or trade other pairs beside gold. Overall, the Gold Oracle Scalper Adaptive brings thoughtful adaptive features to gold M1 trading at a very accessible price. My test showed decent performance with reasonable risks. Promising, but always test thoroughly on demo with your broker first. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.